Hey guys, if you have a shower like this, that you had a shower head holder and it broke, so now you can't sit your shower head anywhere, I'll put a link below, or you can get a little thing like this. I believe it's about $20 with tax. You can just put this out of the way and clip this onto your bar, and it's gonna hold your shower handle. So if you put it this way, you can see the opening. Whoop. So put it the other way, it's easy. Just put it in and you just tighten it. You see? And it holds. You put it at the level that you want. There you go. And now you can sit your shower, and it holds your shower. You can actually move it different angles. There you go. And the other piece, if you want, you can actually turn it around, tighten it, and you can use that to hang your loofah. Hope this helps. I'll put the link below. Have a nice day.